Distracted driving is a danger to you, your riders, and everyone else on the road. So here's some information provided by GHSA to help you stay focused on safely getting everyone where they need to go. There are 4 main forms of distracted driving: visual, when you take your eyes off the road; manual, when you take your hands off the wheel; mental, when you take your mind off the road; and audio, when there's loud music or a conversation happening inside or outside your vehicle. Driving distracted can also prevent you from identifying and reacting to unsafe conditions on the road, especially in bad weather. When you talk on the phone while driving, your eyes often fixate on the center of the road, and you stop checking your mirrors. This can cause something called inattentional blindness, making you less likely to see other vehicles or people biking or walking. When you read a text while driving, your eyes are off the road for an average of 5 seconds. At 55 miles per hour, that's like driving the length of a football field blindfolded. You might think you can safely text and drive because you're better at it than everyone else, but that simply isn't true. If the driver in front of you slams on their brakes while you're not looking, or your mind is engaged in something on your phone, the consequences can be catastrophic. Which is why it's important to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes, ears, and mind focused on the road at all times. Whether you're talking or texting, holding your cell phone while driving is not only dangerous, but also illegal in many states and localities. Most states have hands-free laws, so familiarize yourself with local laws before you get on the road. Using a mount to securely position your phone at eye level is safer than holding it or keeping it in a cup holder, allowing you to better see the screen without losing focus on the road. When using a mount, make sure it's in a location that does not obstruct your view of the road. Some drivers find it helpful to have the audible guidance turned on so they can listen to directions instead of reading them. And knowing the local roads and landmarks is even better, as it cuts down on the need to glance at your navigation during a trip. If you need to confirm a pickup with a rider, try to use the in-app pre-written replies to reduce unnecessary phone interaction, and always keep your eyes on the road. In addition to the 4 kinds of distracted driving, some emotions like stress, fear, anxiety, and frustration can also impair your ability to safely operate a vehicle, leading to aggressive driving, which is very dangerous and can turn deadly. Aggressive driving plays a major role in U.S. traffic crashes, contributing not only to road rage, but to a substantial number of highway collisions each year. An aggressive driver is likely to speed, and 1/3 of all fatal crashes are speeding related. An aggressive driver is also likely to engage in other unsafe behaviors, such as not yielding the right-of-way, weaving, failing to signal, tailgating, red light running, using the horn frequently and/or excessively, and lane blocking. And just like you're in danger of becoming an aggressive driver, everyone else on the road is too. By worrying about or reacting to other aggressive drivers, you give up control of your own situation. So when encountering an aggressive driver on the road, always remember to remain calm and do not respond. Avoid eye contact. Continue to drive safely and respectfully. And always stick to the posted speed limit. If it's safe to do so, moving into another lane or pulling over is also recommended. Distracted and aggressive driving is not only illegal in many states, but can result in a crash, causing severe injury or death. And keep in mind that repeated reports of dangerous driving could cause you to lose access to the driver app. So by practicing the tips and guidelines in this video, you can help save lives and win riders over with your 5-star worthy, laser-focused driving. It's a crazy world out there, full of all sorts of distractions. Stay sharp and stay safe.